In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and lock layers in Draw.io for Atlassian, Confluence, and Jira. To get started, open the page that contains your Draw.io diagram while you're in edit mode. Once you're on the page, click directly on the diagram. This will bring up a floating toolbar over the diagram, giving you access to its editing options. From that toolbar, click the edit icon. A pop-up window will then open, and this will launch the diagram editor where you can make changes to the file itself. Once you're inside the diagram editor, the first thing you need to do is open the layers window. This is where you'll manage the visibility and editability of each layer in your diagram. To open it, go to the top menu bar, click View, and then choose Layers from the drop-down menu. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl, Shift, and L at the same time. Either method will open the Layers panel so you can work more efficiently. In the Layers window, you'll see a list of your diagram's layers. On the left side of each layer, there are two important icons, an eye icon and a lock icon. These let you control whether a layer is visible and whether it can be edited. If you want to hide a layer, click the eye icon next to that layer. As soon as you do, the objects on that layer will disappear from the canvas. This is useful when you want to temporarily remove visual clutter and focus on other parts of your diagram without deleting anything. You'll also notice that the eye icon changes to show a slash, which confirms that the layer is now hidden. If you want to prevent changes to a layer, click the lock icon beside it. When a layer is locked, the layer name will appear in red, the lock icon will show as locked, and the objects on that layer can no longer be moved or edited. This is especially helpful when you have background elements, labels, or completed sections of a diagram that you don't want to accidentally change while working on other parts. That's all there is to it. By using the hide and lock options in the layers window, you can keep your diagrams more organized, reduce accidental edits, and make complex diagrams much easier to manage while working in Draw.io for Confluence and Jira.